Thinking about trying the Seolys Serum? Before you make any decision, it's important to understand what this product is actually claiming and what science really says behind those claims. The brand presents it as a next-generation skincare solution that can reactivate your skin's ability to rebuild itself. It talks about advanced anti-aging effects, smoother texture, and even skin that supposedly becomes thicker and stronger over time. On the surface, it sounds impressive, especially with claims like a 95% DNA match to human tissue, 89% dermal thickening in 12 weeks, and 0 needles needed for results. These are strong statements, and they're clearly designed to grab attention. Before we go further, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. One major red flag is the claim that a serum can significantly rebuild collagen and thicken the skin from within. In real dermatology, collagen is produced in deeper layers of the skin, and topical products usually have very limited penetration. If someone truly wants deep collagen remodeling, treatments like microneedling, laser therapy, or injectable procedures are typically required. A serum alone, no matter how advanced it sounds, generally cannot produce dramatic structural changes in the skin. Another concern is the way PDRN is being presented as a breakthrough ingredient. While PDRN is indeed used in some medical and dermatological treatments, it is mainly effective when injected directly into the skin. There is very limited, strong evidence showing that a topical serum can deliver the same level of results, especially in terms of deep collagen regeneration. So the way it is marketed here feels more like exaggeration than proven science. The product also raises concern when it indirectly compares its effects to Botox-like results. Botox works by relaxing facial muscles through injections, which is something a topical cream cannot do at all. A serum cannot reach muscles or replicate that mechanism. So this kind of comparison is scientifically misleading. Then there are the numbers like 89% dermal thickening in 12 weeks. Claims like this usually come from properly conducted clinical trials, and if such strong results truly existed, we would expect transparent research papers or independent studies to back them up. However, on the website, there is very little detailed scientific data available to verify these results. Another issue is the lack of full ingredient transparency. The brand highlights one key ingredient, but does not clearly break down the full formulation or explain concentrations and mechanisms in detail. In genuine science-backed skincare, companies usually provide more transparent information so consumers can understand exactly what they are applying to their skin. Finally, the promise of fast and dramatic transformation is itself a red flag. Real skin improvement, especially anything related to collagen, takes time, usually several weeks to months of consistent treatment. Any product suggesting rapid, almost instant structural changes in the skin is likely overstating what is realistically possible. So when you combine all of this, the Seolys Serum presents some interesting scientific concepts, but the marketing goes far beyond what current evidence strongly supports. It's important to be cautious, look for independent proof, and not rely only on promotional claims before deciding to buy.